Welcome to Po' Boy Cooking. Today we're going to need chicken, 4.5 pounds of it. You need 1 pound of Fiesta blend cheese. You're going to need cheesy taco seasoning, 2 packages, and 2 packages of taco seasoning. Okay, that's by McCormick. And we're doing chicken taquitos, whatever you call them.
And we need tortillas.
You need tortillas, of course.
And an oven.
And an oven. Okay, let's get started. And you need rice.
And a 30 pack. Otherwise it won't turn out that good.
So you want to take your chicken, 4 pounds of it. Pop in there, make sure you have your aluminum foil on.
Okay, we're going to add some beer. Garlic salt. Stuff. More stuff. Italian seasoning and molasses bacon.
Okay, now you want to take your chicken, have your oven on for 420, and pop it in there. We're doing it for a whole hour, and bam.
You want to make it into nice small pieces, and yeah, like we've done the last few episodes.
Your oil, and then you want to have a pan out, and you want to sit there and get it all evenly distributed, because we're going to sear all this stuff, all of our taquitos. Okay, you want to take all your packages, put them in there. Cheesy taco and cheesy chicken taco seasoning. Put it all in there, and all your chicken. All right, half a cup of water. Right in there. All right, now you want to mix this up, and we're gonna pop it on the skillet. All right, you want to take your chicken, start popping it on there.
Look at that chicken sizzle.
Look at that sizzle.
Chicken.
All right, place it in the bowl.
In the bowl.
After 10 minutes.
That's gonna keep you away from me.
2 cups of water. Put your rice in there and put a tablespoon of oil or butter. 10 seconds. Okay, you want to grab your tortilla, put your chicken in there, evenly distribute it. Then you want to add your rice. Then you want to add some cheese. Fiesta blend. Take it. Squeeze it as tight as you can.
I'll keep my mouth shut.
Alright. The ones that we're using without rice, we're going to add our cheese first. Then a little bit of chicken.
I'm in trouble.
Get it as tight as you can. And bam.
That's what she...
Put your taquitos on the grill. Our little griddle that we got. 300 degrees.
Okay, so what do you have?
So after about 5 minutes,
And most.
we want to sit there and flip them over. Okay, so after 2 minutes on each side, I'm going to go ahead and start popping them in. For your top, we're going to be using some pepper jack.
Pepper jack.
You want to use all that you can.
Yay. Cheese.
Cheese, yes, yay. You want to have your oven off for 420 degrees still. Now you want to have this in here for 5 minutes on 420. Okay, correction. After 4 minutes, you want to grab it. And of course, you know, don't grab it with your hands. And they're done. Now, all you gotta do is add your sides. We're adding some sour cream and some other stuff to it. We'll see you next time. Watch these other videos. Click like on that Facebook and subscribe to YouTube. You can follow me on Twitter. And I've got a new album out. It's called Lying for Faith. And it's going to be the title of the album, Never Regret. Order it today. Request me on Facebook anytime and I will get you one out. We'll see you later.
Well, YouTube, this is how many beers we killed in the production of this video. Click like and subscribe.